So we are going to end up the chapter with the last topic, managing worksheets. Worksheets we have to manage means something related to the functioning of sheet itself. As you can see, I have three sheets in front of me: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. The very first thing is right clicking and look for rename option. I can write anything here. Suppose I write manage. Fine. On this sheet, right click, rename, and then you can write suppose month sale. But the same operations can be done by double clicking also. Double click and write formula errors. So this way we can give the name on sheet by right clicking and choosing rename option, and by double clicking also. Next thing is to delete. Right click and choose delete option, and it will ask whether you want to delete or not. If I will click on delete, it will be permanently deleted, and if I keep on doing undo, it will not come back. Fine. So we need to remember that when we are deleting a worksheet, we are deleting it permanently. Next thing is about the tab color. These are by default called as sheet tabs. If I do right click, I will look for an option tab color, and I can give the color. It is coming in yellow color, but it gets prominent when I click on another tab. Again, do right click, look for tab color, and suppose this time I take red color, so it will look permanent when I click on another tab, right? So in managing worksheets, we have discussed about renaming, deleting, and the third one is changing tab color, right? Renaming is done by right clicking and choosing the rename option. We can do double click also, it will be highlighted and we can do it. Deleting is done by right clicking and choosing delete option, and changing tab color is done by right clicking and choosing tab color option. So dear students, this way all the topics of Microsoft Excel has been explained to you. You can see all the videos on the channel again and again, and definitely you can give your valuable feedback, and you can do like and subscribe so that you get in touch with what are being updated on my channel. And definitely because of your cooperation, because of your response, the channel would be very much helpful for you in future. Thank you so much.